O Keiki o ka Aina, mako na Keiki o iyo.
The song was composed by Kainani Kahanaele for her best friend who she grew up with. Her best friend had a baby and she wanted to express her love and emotions regarding her friend and her newborn child. Weldon Keiko'oha sings this song. This song is called a baby hula. When you pick up your child and the child puts their arms around your neck, that is your Lei Ho'oheno. These are the hula steps for Lei Ho'oheno. There are 4 major steps in this dance: the kaholo, the ka'o, the kavelu, and the lele uehe. We'll start with the kaholo. The first thing you need to do when you dance hula is you need to slightly bend your knees. When you slightly bend your knees, when you take a step, your hips will go naturally along with it. So, a kaholo is 4 steps this way to the right, 4 steps this way to the left. We go. So we bend our knees, step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap. That is the kaholo. Now with the ka'o is a stationary step. And the way to do that is start with your knees bent. Now for the left ka'o, your knee stays bent, your heel is up. You straighten your left leg. And that creates your hip going out, this hip going down. When you go to, then you transfer the weight. This leg straightens up, heel goes down, other leg comes up, heel is up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your ka'o. Remember to keep all the motion below your waist. You should have, your shoulders should be steady and straight here. Our third step is the kavelu. This is a modified kavelu. It is also called a ko or kalakaua. But we are doing a kavelu. So you take your right foot, bend your knees, remember. Take your right foot, you step forward, transfer the weight, and back, step. So it's 1, 2, 3, tap. Now we're going to transfer to the left foot. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay. Our fourth step for Lei Ho'oheno is a lele uehe. A lele uehe is actually an advanced step, but we are doing it slow enough that anybody can do it. So we are going to step with our right foot. We're going to point gently, not way out, because that'll take your timing off. Point gently in, and then lift your heels. Step, point, in, lift up. Lei Ho'oheno first verse tutorial. I suggest that if you are having trouble putting both the hands and the feet together, start with the feet in the tutorial and then work the hands in afterwards when you're comfortable. Now, for this one, we're going to do kaholo that way and a kaholo that way. We're going to do 4 kaholos to start. Step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap. Right foot, we're going to put our arms out about to the corners. We're going to go e ku'upili. E ku'upili, bring it in, kaholo. Now we're going to go to the left and bring out aloha. Now we're going to bring our left hand in to the heart. And as we're doing that, we're going to make a kaholo, and we're going to make our lei over our head. Kaholo that way, and put it to our heart. Our Lei Ho'oheno. Now we're going to smell our baby. This is a baby hula, and we're going to bring the baby up. Oh, the baby smells so good, kaholo. Bring the baby down. Now we're going to do kavelo. We take our right leg, and we're going to make an S. And then we're going to bring the step on your left leg, and we're going to bring the rein down. And then we're going to take a step. This is going to be our Lei Ho'oheno point. So as we're doing this, we're going to step, pick our flower, point, in and up with your heels, and kaholo to the left. And make it rain on your flower. That is our first verse. We're going to go through that again. Okay. E ku pili kaholo. Aloha, kaholo. Kaholo kule. Kapo'o hiwi. Bring it up for the baby. Smell the baby. O naona I ka iu. No hea I ka maka. Ua. Lele uehe. Ke kani le hua. Sway and sway. And then again le hua. That is our first verse. Our second verse is vevelu. Vevelu means beauty streams across my eyes. So we're going to go up like this, and we're going to stream. We're going to do a kaholo to the right. 1 flag, 2 flags kaholo left, 3 flags, 4 flags. Watch your flags with your eyes. We've done that. Then we're going to step forward with another right kavelo. 1 and 2. This one we're going to do a back kavelo. We're going to step back instead of forward. 3 and 4. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Take your time. Now we're going to go to our right. Make your ui. Are beautiful. You are so beautiful. We're going to do a kaholo. We're going to make our lei. 1, 2, 3, tap. Back, 2, 3, tap. And then we're going to go back to our first verse.
Maka liliko ikaua kilihune kilipohe ike kani lehua lehua e kupili aloha kulei kaupo liliko ikaua kilihune kilipohe ike kani lehua Develo ke aloha I ka onohi Ume mai hoi kau E kahi lei Ho'oheno pili aloha Kulei kau po'ohiwi O nauna I ka ihu No hea I ka maka Liliko I ka ua Kili ure Kili pohe I ke kani lehua Develo ke aloha I ka onohi Ume mai hoi kau E kahi